Hi, good morning, good evening to all of you, wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you transition from a non-IT background to a business analyst profile. So it's a common belief that only technical people or the people with technical background or from the IT background can transition to a business analyst profile. That is completely incorrect. There's also a belief that you need programming skills to become a business analyst. That is also not true. Over the years, we have trained hundreds of professionals from non-IT background to become a business analyst. So keep watching. So now I'm going to discuss these 8 steps which are required for you to follow to transition from your current non-IT background to a business analyst profile. So you can see these steps which are required for you to transition to a business analyst role from a non-IT background. I'm going to discuss each step in detail, so be with me till the end of the video.